Have you ever wanted to upgrade your living space and make it feel bigger and better for entertaining? A vaulted ceiling might be the answer for you. Most people think a vaulted ceiling costs a fortune. This vaulted ceiling in this large living and kitchen space costs less than $15,000. And just look how this impacts the space. This vaulted ceiling took the ceiling from an 8-foot tall height to a 12-foot tall height, just making everything just bigger and brighter and really connecting this living space into the kitchen space much more effectively. And if you're wondering if this could be done in your home, let me talk about the 3 different options and a little history about trusses and rafters. In 1950, metal plates were developed to mass manufacture trusses. So about 1970 is where you see this transition between rafters and trusses. And what a rafter is it's built with stick or dimensional lumber that's cut, and trusses are built with these metal plates, as you can see in this demonstration. And the way they build trusses, they build it out of smaller lumber because they use tension and compression in the angles of their lumber to make it less expensive. When we look at rafters, which is what we have here, it's much easier to create a vaulted ceiling. So houses that were built before 1970 are much easier to transition into this grand vaulted ceiling look. So when you think about your home, if it's after 1970s, it might be more challenging to create a vaulted ceiling. But homes that are built before 1970 are much easier to create this vaulted ceiling look. It might change the overall cost, but the outcome is the same. This vaulted ceiling is just one example of how construction meets design and creates a large impact. And sometimes one change like this can transform the way your space looks and feels. We're in the middle of framing of this West Des Moines home, and we're really excited to show you the final reveal. So follow along as we bring this remodel to life.